Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video we are going to learn how to make Mr. Wobbling Panda over here. This panda wobbles and you can also use it as a paperweight, and to make its wobbling mechanism I have used clay. So watch till the end of the video how to make the wobbling mechanism. But before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe it, and after subscribing don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new video. But to make Mr. Wobbling Panda, you will be requiring these materials.
It's not a game, it's a rich.
So guys, now first to start with our paperweight, first we will take this ball in, and this ball opens as well. So you need a ball which opens like this. We will now keep this big portion on the side, and we will take this small lid over here, and we will take some of our clay over here, and we are going to put it over here and spread it nicely in the top of our lid. Now as you can see, I have applied this much clay on the lid over here. We will take some more clay and we will properly apply it over here. So first let's do that. So guys, now we have applied this clay on the lid over here, and as you can see, I have filled it completely inside, and this clay is the only reason why our paperweight will stand still and not go here or there. So now we will take this cap over here and we will attach it over here.
A few inches later.
So guys, now I have put the lid over here as well, and as you can see, so this is the body over here and this is the lid. So this is the lid in which portion we have put our clay in. Now the thing what are we going to do is, as you can see, if we put our lid down and we try to move this ball here and there, it tries to come back to the place where the lid faces down. So as you can see, so if we rotate it in, however, it will stay in the same position because of the clay we put underneath it, and it does not move anywhere. And if you put it upside down with this lid facing upwards, it will again try to come back facing down where the lid faces downwards. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, because we are making a panda paperweight, we will cover this ball with newspaper and then we are going to paint on it. So first let's cover it with newspaper. So guys, now I have cut out these over here, these small newspaper strips, and now we are going to stick these strips on our ball over here so that we can paint on it and the paint looks even. So now first let's stick these onto this ball.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, now I have covered our ball with newspaper around, and there are some wrinkles which would also give a nice texture because we stick this newspaper over here. That is why there are some wrinkles which I don't think would do anything, but it would also look nice and give a little bit texture. And now if you can see, if I keep it like this and move it anywhere, you can understand better that because of the clay we put underneath, it stands on a place still. Now because we are making a panda paperweight, we will first cover this entirely with white paint. So first let's do that.
3 weeks later.
So guys, now I have covered this entire ball with white paint, and also as you can see over here, I have also made the markings for our panda's face. Because we are making a panda paperweight, that's why I have made markings for a panda. If you are making any other type of paperweight like a dog or a cat paperweight, you can make the design of the dog or the cat, but we are making a panda paperweight. That is why I have drawn the panda's face over here. Now the next thing what are we going to do is, as you can see the eyebrows here, the eyes and the nose, we are going to color black in it with a marker, not with paint, because the black paint may get messy over here because we are using white color in the background. That is why we are going to use a black marker. So first let's fill all of these eyes, nose, eyebrows and his mouth. So first let's color in all of these with a black marker.
Many months later.
So guys, now I have also made the outline with black, and as you can see these white portions over here, I have made them with a whitener. First I covered entirely everything with black, and with a whitener on top of it I made these small dots so that our panda looks even more good. So now finally our panda paperweight is ready, and now you will understand the real thing why we applied the clay beneath it. So as you can see, I have kept the panda right here, and I know you cannot see it properly full because I'm shooting from up, and if I move it here or there, it will come to the same position where the clay faces downwards. So as you can see over here, our panda is finally ready. So this is how you make a panda paperweight. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and after subscribing make sure to hit the bell icon. Thank you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.